Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. I'm here in my bathroom and we're going to do a little bit of cleaning. So as you may notice, I have some long hair and sometimes that hair gets stuck in my drain in my sink. You know, today it's time to get that cleaned out. Trying to clean it out, I realized, how do I take the stopper out of the sink? So I did some research and that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to teach you how to take the stopper out and then we're going to use this tool to clean out some hair, and then we're going to use this to blast away any hair that may need to still be cleaned out. So come join me. First thing I'm going to do is remove the clip back here that holds these two pieces together. Then I'm just going to pull this, and then this right here, I'm just going to loosen this up, and I'm going to pull this out here. And you can see this is a little dirty, so we're gonna clean that. Now we can pull the stopper up, and oh my goodness, that is gross. Okay, now I'm gonna put this tool in there and I'm gonna try to get some hair out. And this just kind of goes in there and it pulls out any gross hair. That is so gross, I don't even know.
There's no words. We may have to edit some of that. Oh.
So I think we got the biggest chunk out, which is great. Now I want to also use this to, if there's any hair down there that I can't get cleaned out, but I'm gonna put this back in below so that this doesn't come out of the open hole while it's being cleaned. So I'll put this back. Now I'm gonna try this. This is just a drain cleaner and it says to shake it and then pour 8 to 10 ounces down the drain and then wait 15 to 30 minutes for it to do its work. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna run some warm water through it. This is a good sign because before water was standing when I let a lot of water in the sink, so I think it worked. We'll go ahead and put this back together. Now that it's all clean, I'm gonna put the stopper back in place, and I'm just gonna put this right back in here. And now, the stopper should be moving up and down. Now I'm gonna put the lever back. It was on 4, and then I'll put my clip back in place. And there you have it, it's all done. Didn't take long at all, and now when I turn on the water, I don't have standing water anymore on my sink, so that's a good thing. So now I think I'm gonna go clean out the sink in my guest bathroom. See you next time.